Greetings, friend, and welcome. The first biological computers are going commercial. Not computers inspired by biology, not software modeled after the brain. Actual living human neurons grown on silicon chips, connected to electrodes, kept alive in a controlled system, and used to process information. The company is Cortical Labs, and the machine is called CL1. It is being described as the world's first code-deployable biological computer, a system where researchers can run experiments directly on living neural cells instead of only simulating them in software. In 2022, Cortical Labs helped create DishBrain, a system made from human and mouse neurons that learned to play Pong. The cells were not thinking like a person, but they responded to feedback, adjusted behavior, and performed a goal-directed task. A dish of brain cells learned. Now that same trajectory is moving toward commercial hardware. The CL1 is being promoted for neuroscience, disease modeling, drug testing, and research into how neurons actually learn. That part matters. This could help scientists understand dementia, epilepsy, brain injury, neurodevelopmental disorders, and the effects of new medicines on real human cells. But the deeper shift is much bigger than medicine. For decades, artificial intelligence has been built on silicon, chips, servers, data centers, electricity. Massive models trained on massive data sets. Biological intelligence works differently. The brain learns with almost impossible efficiency. It adapts from very little data. It reorganizes itself. It processes signals through living networks that still outperform machines in ways we barely understand. So what happens when the tech industry stops trying to copy the brain and starts using brain cells directly? A living neural system is not just another processor. It is not just a better chip. It is biology entering the machine layer. Who owns biological intelligence when it is grown in a lab? What rights exist around human cells trained to respond to digital environments? At what point does a neural system become more than a research tool? And who gets to decide where that line is? Researchers will say these systems are small, limited, and nowhere near human consciousness. That is true, but technology never stays where it begins. The first computers were simple. The first networks were limited. The first AI models were toys compared to what exists now. Then they became infrastructure. Biological computers may begin as lab tools, but the direction is obvious. Silicon is reaching limits. AI needs new forms of intelligence. And now living neurons are being turned into machines that can learn. The future of computing may not be completely artificial. It may be alive. This is Micah Sai, and you're listening to the Singularity Hub. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.